So I'm going to give you a quick review of systems of inequalities. We did these before. They seem to be easiest for us, but I just want to refresh your memory. So I've got graphed here two linear inequalities. Notice one was in slope-intercept form and one was in standard form. In Desmos, you don't have to solve for y. You can just plug your inequalities in as is. To get this greater than or equal to symbol, you use the greater than button, which is on the period button, and then just push equals afterwards. So when we're looking at this, we can see that our solutions are always going to be wherever the double shaded area is. So if my first line is red and my second line is blue, red and blue makes purple. So the purple area is where all of my solutions will lie. If you remember back to regular linear inequalities, if it's on a solid line, it is a solution. But if it's on the dotted line, it is not a solution. So for this particular example, this point of intersection, which isn't even a nice point, but is not considered a solution because it's on a dotted line as well as a solid line. So if I want to decide if a point is a solution, like 5, 3, I can plot the point, and I see that it's in the blue area. That means that it's a solution for my second line, but not for my first line, thus not a solution for this particular example. If I look at the point 0, 5, I can see that that point up here is in the purple area. Thus, it is a solution. So we said that the intersection is 1.143 and negative 0.571. So we see that that, because it's on a dotted line, is going to be not a solution. If we look at the point -1, -2, that point is on a dotted line, so it is not a solution. It's pretty easy to figure out, right? If we look at the point 2, 2, it's on the solid red line in the double shaded area, so this one is indeed a solution. But the point 0, -4, even though it's on a solid line, it's not in the double shaded area, which means that it is not a solution. I hope that this helps you to kind of understand how these systems of inequalities work and get a better understanding of it.